Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time, I think we're going to do something that I never did before. Well, I have to admit that we did it once before. I'm going to try to put the link just up here. I think we did it. I think we wanted to reproduce an acrylic fall. There's a lot of way to go about it, but I think the technique we didn't do was the simplest one. So we're going to try it today. I'm going to use a lot of colors. As you can see, it's acrylic fall, but some people do it with a cup. They do it with all kind of things to pour over their acrylic. I don't think it's something that is very necessary. I think you can do a very good job just pouring directly your acrylic on the canvas. We're going to use my medium, again something that I'm going to put the link to do, my own recipe of medium. I think it's the best one. Well, subjective. I'm preaching from my own thing, eh? So anyway, we're going to go at it. We're going to see how it comes out and come back to the end, and we're going to talk about it. So let's go and try it. Okay guys, so I hope you're going to agree that the result is quite nice. I think that once again we did show that you don't have to go overboard with all kind of technique to reproduce something that is great. I think that the simplest way we could approach the fall, the acrylic fall technique, I think it's simple that way. I think there's a lot of way to do it. I'm sure a lot of you thought to themselves, well, stop it, don't move it anymore. That's the thing. That's the thing, to know when to stop. It's to each his own. Eh? Some people are going to continue. You can work over it, but for me, I think there's a lot of people that do this technique and they do move it quite a bit around afterwards. I think it defeats the purpose by itself, because I think if you want to reproduce this technique and the result of like acrylic fall, you should touch it and move it the least possible afterwards. Even what I did, I think it was a bit much, but just enough. And like you saw, I did sprinkle a little bit of acrylic just to make a finish more interesting. So listen guys, like always it's subjective, but I have to admit it's one of the techniques that I love the most. I like the result. I like the lines that are very refined compared to other techniques. So anyway, like we always say, it's subjective, to each his own. So guys, I hope you enjoy. I hope you're gonna try it, because it's a lot of fun. And like you saw, I did put too much acrylic, like always, but it's always nice. I even like to have more than less, that's for sure. So guys, thank you for being here, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys.